Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to enable biometric on your WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable biometric to open your WhatsApp app, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your WhatsApp. Just tap on the WhatsApp. In top right side corner you will find three dot. Click on that, then click on settings. Here you have to scroll down. Here you will find second option, you can see privacy. Tap on that, then you have to scroll down. Here you can see app lock, which is disabled. Just tap on that, then you have to enable this option. Unlock with biometric means when you want to open your WhatsApp, it will ask you to attach a fingerprint to your biometric sensor. Just tap on that, then you have to give access to your biometric. After that your option will be enabled. Here you can see lock, automatically lock. In this you will find three options. One is immediately, one is after 1 minute, one is after 30 minutes. Means when you close your application, which is WhatsApp, it will lock automatically if you select this first option. If you select this option, then your WhatsApp will be locked after 1 minute. If you select this option, your WhatsApp will be locked after 30 minutes. And below you can see there is another one option, show content in notification. Means when your WhatsApp is locked, you can see notification on your mobile when this option is enabled. If you disable this option, then you will not see any WhatsApp notification on your mobile screen when it is locked. So if you want to see any notification, you have to just unlock your WhatsApp. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable biometric for your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.